Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 11th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. H pattern, area retesting, wide state, 555. H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. If we can't jump the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart and blow past the 513.50, if we stall around there, we're just going to grab a quick dollar move and then some, and then call it a day.
Order filled.
And there's a little bit better than a dollar move within less than 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. What we expect is to see this, if it can't get through the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart, we're going to expect a retrace. And based on the retrace, it might come all the way down to the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart. And if it does and it settles around that area, we'll re-participate to go back up with the market.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 11th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ for the second time. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. H pattern, retesting area support, 555, lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. What we want to see here soon is the price to accelerate with speed and violence past the 200 moving average on both the 1 and 2-minute chart. And if it can do that, it might have a chance to come all the way up to this area, which is roughly around the 514.50, 514.75 area. But what we need to see in order for that to happen is an acceleration with speed and violence past it a good amount. So we're talking about maybe the 514.25, 514.50 area, then possibly retrace or just run up to it all together. If we spend too much time around that 200 on both the 1 and 2-minute chart, we might just pull profits early because it might struggle to get past the 514.25, 514.50 area. But as always, we're going to play this bar by bar. We are actually spending way too much time on this 200 area. I expected it to blow past it with speed and violence and maybe come back on top of it to retrace. But since we haven't got that, if we start to accelerate up to the 514.50-ish area and we can't get past that, it might be the peak before we come down. So anywhere in this 514.25, 514.50 area, if we start to slow down, we'll just pull our profits. I don't see this running up because we don't have the speed and violence that we would normally have if this was going to be an accelerated run to the upside once we penetrated the 200 moving average on both the 1 and 2-minute charts. We are going to pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's about a $1.65 run on this trade. So our first trade we took and we recorded was a $1 plus move. Our second trade was a $1.65 move. So we're looking at about $2.65 for the two trades that we recorded today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.